Hey guys, it's the BMW e30 convertible. It's perfect convertible weather. It's about 7 degrees. This is a 1988 325i. Just got finished putting the Z4 steering rack in it, actually Z3 steering rack in it, with a Garagistic power steering delete. The car hasn't been on the road in 5 years, 6 years. It's got a couple scrapes, a couple dings, but it's a nice looking car. It's obviously been resprayed. It's not the original Zenerot red, but it is a very shiny red. Redid the interior. Going to recolor the seats, in the middle of recoloring the seats with this leather dye. Working on the back. Need to smooth this out, but going to do the front as well. And the tan interior, converted it to black. Door cards, carpet, and convertible top, stuff like that. So let's get in, take her for a ride, see how she goes. There we go. I'll take it for a drive. The steering is definitely going to be stiffer with the power steering delete. It's manual steering, but I have manual steering in the 2002, so it should be fine. And the Z3 rack is definitely tighter, and I have not had this aligned since I put the rack in. To prove to you that it's cold outside, I've got my Eskimo hat on. We'll take it for a drive up the road and see how she goes. Look at that, blinkers work. Nice and smooth. Like I said, it's about 7 degrees outside right now. Should probably put up the windows. Stay a little bit warmer. Power windows. Turn on the heat all the way. Go for a drive. We got working gauges. My steering wheel is obviously not aligned because I put the new steering rack in and I didn't center the steering rack before I connected the tie rod in. So I'm gonna have to unbolt the steering wheel and recenter it and bolt it back on. No big deal. It's a non-airbag steering wheel. I have all of the gauges are working. I think I got a new cluster from e30 gauges. So I have all the cluster working, which is great. RPMs, speedometer, temperature gauge,